Giveaway going for a Super Clean, which includes a Super Clean Hot and a Super Clean Degreaser, as well as the aerosol degreaser. If you guys want to be entered in that giveaway, all you have to do is go ahead, leave a like, comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel, go ahead and share the video, and you'll be entered. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. Good luck to everyone, and let's get into the video. Let me put my hat on. Okay, today we have the Petform Survival Bottle. Very cool, kind of odd shaped bottle. We got it stuffed full of stuff. Stuffed full of stuff. Stuffed full of gear, how about that? Okay, right off the get, we got our water containment bag, which is just a basic Ziploc bag. And for fire starting, we have a ferro rod, the Striker. We have 2 vitamin C packets to give you a boost. These are the Thirst Quenchers, or Squencher Zeros. Those are Thirst Quenchers. Those are the packets of juice already in them. We have 2 packets of mustard. Thank God they didn't bust. That's always my biggest concern with these. Ideally, you'd want to Ziploc those, but for such a tight kit, it's not really possible. Here, we have a good amount of aluminum foil. This can be used for cooking or a flat and dry surface to start a fire on. A lot of moist environments make it really hard to start fires. Here we have a basic little pocket knife. Let's see what side. Okay, so we have our scissors on this side. And then on this side, we have our blade. And then we have our, so it's trickier to get this one out, file. And yeah, a good little pocket knife, does the trick. For fire starting, we have 3 stormproof matches, the Striker, cordage, we have some basic yard line or twine, as well as some snare wire. We also have a sewing kit, you can get it out, for gear repair, also first aid, or you can use it as cordage. Just kind of hard with my big fingers. Here we have our signal mirror. This comes from, what is it, Star Flash. I love how small it is. Great little mirror. We also have a signal whistle, or emergency whistle. Very compact style. For water treatment, we have water treatment tablets wrapped around some duct tape wrapped around it. We also have a water activated towelette for hygiene or water filtration, or even first aid. And for navigation, we have our little button compass. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Good luck to you guys in the giveaway. Have a nice day.